in the old days, and I found it in some of the archives in Germany, that because Samoa was under the German government for some time, until the British took over, I shouldn't say Brits, I'm sorry, until the British took over, there we go. In the archives they said that why the Samoans are beautiful people, I quote, that was said, it's because of their eating habits. They eat very healthy, from the sea to the ovens to self, from the plantations to the ovens to self. So until the Brits, or the British, sorry, came in, they introduced something called pisupo, and that is not healthy. So you must remember that, stay away from pisupo, okay? Is that a promise? Yeah.